Hi there, welcome back with us yet again.
Yes.
It is time, finally. We are releasing for you the unboxing video of our spring-summer semi-annual contemporary box.
Yay.
Very excited about this box. Lots of requests for this unboxing video specifically. So especially particular items in this box. So we're really excited to share that with you today. We're gonna go ahead and get started and jump right in. Okay, Maddie, let's get started.
Perfect.
Love these. Love these very much. These are crystal candle holders with a white resin on the top and the bottom, and then you have a gold colored brass fitting for your taper candle. These are amazing, very contemporary, and yet could actually really be used in a modern traditional style as well.
Oh, definitely. I mean, I see, just depending on what taper candle you put in there, will change the look completely.
Absolutely. And these are going to be great also when you get into your fall winter. Mm-hmm. I'm imagining, we gave you some striped candles.
I was just thinking of those.
They're gonna look so good in here if you haven't burned them already. Mm-hmm. If you have, don't worry, we have some extras. We will have them available for you in the Decor shop. We're gonna get dimensions on these for you so you have an idea. Now, each of these is heavy. This is a good, 2 pounds maybe per?
Oh yeah. And for a candle holder, he's small but mighty.
That's it. Tiny but mighty. That's what these are. Tiny but mighty. Okay. And the 2 inches high is just to the top of the resin, not all the way up to the top of the taper holder itself. With the taper holder, as you know, we always provide you, especially in your semi-annuals and your luxes, you're going to receive the accompanying candles that go with them. Love these candles. Yeah. When I saw these, I showed them to Maddie and the rest of the team, and it was a resounding, yes, we need those. So here they are. You get 2 sets. We figured one for your spring and one for your summer.
And I love these. They are very subtle in their differences. They both have a beautiful gold or rose gold, almost kind of marbled look on them.
Yes.
And then you have one that is more ivory for its base color, and one that is a little more, would you say, peachy almost?
Definitely white is the base, and then you've got this gold foiling on this one. So it's a white candle with gold foiling. It will pull, though, depending on your lighting, a little peach in color when you get it in the candle holder.
Which is probably what I'm seeing right now.
That's exactly what you're seeing. And then especially because it's right next to the cream with the gold foiling. And so when you put the 2 together, they start to pull a little bit of a peach hue to them.
Yes.
They're gorgeous. They look very elevated, is how I would explain them. So much so that you're probably not going to want to burn them.
All right. So for this next item, it is a set of 2 flower statues, and they are just a little touch of perfection, honestly. I love the detailing that's put into each flower, and they are a little different between the 2 flowers that you'll receive. One has a little more etching on it than the other. And then they also have an antique look on their stem and leaf as well, which is just gorgeous.
It's so pretty.
I love it.
These are so pretty. We saw these, and they were one of those must have it. We were initially told we could not get them. And I was very persistent. Let's just say that our partner probably was trying to avoid my calls and my texts because I kept asking, are you sure? You really don't have any. Are they in yet? Could they maybe be in? And then we got the news, we have a few available. And I said, I will take them. They're ours.
And now they're ours.
And now they're yours. So we did this for you.
Yes. Wonderful.
Okay. And we would suggest do it carefully. However, you can adjust the leaves a little bit. They're going to come a little compressed when you receive them.
Yes.
Very gently give them just a little bit of a bend and they'll open up a little more for you. They are gorgeous. So as Maddie mentioned, they are white resin base and flower. And then you have the metal gold toned stem. You're going to receive both of them.
Yes.
Which we love. Then to add to this box, you could do your flowers as your summer piece or your spring piece. The way we curated them, they're universal for you. You could actually leave out the flowers and the next piece we're going to show you in different rooms if you'd like to, all spring, summer.
Absolutely.
They're both of them universal pieces. Mm-hmm. However, if you're decorating everything in one room and you want to switch out, it is completely up to you as to whether you want this next piece to be your spring piece or your summer. So sometimes words aren't enough, and when you see it in person, you will completely understand. Mm-hmm. This is heavy. This this is heavy. I'm going in at 4 pounds on this.
I would probably say it's about the same.
It's okay, good. We're in agreement, and Maddie and I are experts with feeling things now and telling you how much they weigh. This is about 7.2 pounds.
Put it in a box and I can probably tell you how much it weighs.
It's a superpower we have now, and we got this for you, really. We did this for you. So these are amazing. Backstory on this. If you are a Luxe member and you took the summer box last Luxe, so 2023 summer, many of you are also semi-annual contemporary members. You'll remember receiving the beautiful magnolia on acrylic base in your summer box. This is the complement. This is the succulent on acrylic base. It is so beautiful and it is so intricate, is what I would say.
Yes.
This is intricate. You can see all the detailing. When they made this, these are all hand painted and then hand shaped by hand. They even put the points on the tips as you would see in a succulent. And then you go inside and you've got more and more of the petal and the actual kind of flower look to it. It's stunning and it builds on your collection, Luxe members. You're welcome. Lots of requests.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, lots of requests as to, can we just get an extra one of these? I'm working on that for you, semi-annual contemps. I'm working on that. So these are amazing. These could go anywhere.
They really could.
This is one of those pieces you want to put it in your office, on your desk, on your side table, your bedside table, credenzas, bathroom even would look really pretty.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, that'd be really pretty. I may be doing that. We may be doing, when we do our style with us, you may be seeing this go in the bathroom.
Hey, let's give it a shot.
Let's do it. Okay, moving on.
All right, so all of the items just shown are in both of the semi-annual contemporary collections. However, the difference in the two is going to be your choice of tray. So we have, I'm going to start with my personal favorite, and that is going to be, pardon the grunting to lift it, this guy.
We trained for this, okay?
I sound so ladylike. Oh my gosh.
It's okay.
Anywho, so this tray will look very familiar to the Lazy Susan that you guys received in your fall winter collection. This is the sister. So
we're building that collection for you.
Yes.
Always building your collection.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's that just marble, hefty, you know it's gonna last.
Substantial.
Yes.
Substantial, and a piece you're going to use all year long. Mm-hmm. Right? This is not just your spring, summer. We all love to entertain. We know many of you love to entertain, and it's fall, winter. And so it is food safe, We do recommend, though, as with any marble, as a poor Maddie, she needs to rest her hands.
Okay.
With any marble, you want to lay down maybe some parchment or some wax paper on the base if you're going to be serving food, just to protect it. You know, oils from the meats and the cheeses do soak into marble. They do have marble polish and marble cleaners. However, if you don't want to have to add that extra step, then just lay down the parchment or wax paper and you're completely fine. In addition, this doesn't have to be just for food.
Exactly. I mean, just think of, well, if we're going into the bathroom and decorating with our succulent, why don't we make this our tray to put like your perfumes on? Or if you have your makeup brush holders and things like that, why not put this on your vanity and make this your vanity tray for your perfumes and things?
I love that.
And then we can do a whole bathroom refresh.
And we're going to add another piece we're going to show you that's in the Luxe version 1 quiet luxury or subtle luxury version. But it's going to go beautifully and you'll understand why we're showing it to you, because many of our Luxe members have been wanting to see this.
Yes.
The bottom actually has feet, which you're really going to appreciate. Therefore, no worries about anything scratching your tables or consoles or bathroom counters, kitchen counters, wherever you put it. It is heavy.
It is.
It is heavy. This box will be a heavy box when you receive it.
Please lift with your legs.
The other option for you, so this was version 1, and the next piece is going to be in the version 2. So as Maddie said, everything remains the same. You'll be receiving the 2 flowers, the succulent on acrylic base, the 2 crystal candle holders with white resin accents, 2 sets of taper candles, and I was finally able to get one out, so we'll show you that in a minute. This is 2 pieces. I'm going to lift up one piece first and then the other piece, so that way it doesn't fall off in my hands and then this becomes a blooper video. Again, heavy. So love, love, love.
Would you
this.
like me to?
Yes.
I'll hold the little piece.
Okay, deal. Maddie has the base stand. Now you can use this with or without the base stand. It's up to you. We recommend using it with the base stand just because it elevates your look a little more. And also the gold coloring matches again and builds on the collection from your fall winter semi-annual content box. And if you look behind us, strategically placed for you to see, this is the bowl you received in your fall winter semi-annual content. This goes beautifully with all of the pieces we just showed you. Again, it's going to build. So you have that gorgeous Lazy Susan, which is stunning with the gold accents. If you chose version 1, you're going to get the gold accented board, marble board. And if you go with this version, this is also will go with your Lazy Susan. This is, again, as we mentioned, heavy, beautiful, just gorgeous. Again, quiet luxury pieces.
Yes.
This is quiet luxury at its best. This just says, I'm beautiful and I'm here. And you're gonna love it. Now, this also it is food safe. Same thing, please put parchment or wax paper if you're going to put foods on it. You needn't worry about that usually if you're just going to do fruits, that haven't been cut, just your whole fruits. But I would just be on the safe side anytime you want to serve food. This is also another beautiful decor piece. So as Maddie mentioned, maybe moving this into the bathroom on your vanity, same thing. You just make it a circular rather than a long rectangular. You could also put this obviously in the kitchen. I have a spot I'm thinking on a credenza that this might go and then get decorated. You could take, some of these beautiful Kalanchoe balls we have, and then put these on here and make a pretty piece with these. And they also go beautifully with your bowl. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to your candle and show the candle holder, and then we teased you the piece that's in the Luxe box that goes. And in this too, you'll see there's a beautiful it's almost rose colored, would you say? Marbling in there. So it's that really luxurious semi-gloss marble, and there's a little rose, kind of veins of rose in them. And each piece is different. Some will have a little more, some will be a little bit less, because these are coming from pieces of stone.
Yes.
Okay, I got one out. One. That's it. That's all you get. One. Success. It goes in. It fits beautifully. I'm just wiggly because I've got it on my hand here. This one is the white with the gold foiling. It's gorgeous. These are gorgeous. I love these. They make me happy.
I don't have anywhere that I could put that in my house, but I really, really, really want to.
You can come visit it here at my house.
I'll come and visit.
Maddie's gonna come visit the pieces here at my house. And then I'll come to her house to admire all the pieces you'll be seeing in the next couple of videos coming up. This is gonna be fun. Okay, lastly, here we go. We promised, because we talked about vanity. Now, this is also a functional or decorative. Might be a little bit of glare, I apologize. I'll try to do what we've seen Sam do in her videos and put my hand up behind it. This is a crystal glass perfume bottle, perfume holder bottle. Now, you can actually use this as a perfume bottle, and then you would just take your regular bottles of perfume and pour them in here. And then you pull this out and you've got the beautiful little glass piece, and then you can dab it on.
Personally, I don't feel like I have a delicate enough touch to be able to accomplish that. I would try and take it out, and then I'd break the glass on myself or on itself, trying to just put my perfume on. So I would be one of the decorative. And we're just showing you this. It doesn't come in this box. It does, though. Several of our Luxe members did ask to see this piece, and they wanted to know how well it went with the other pieces, and beautifully.
So we think that you're going to absolutely love these.
Yes.
This piece, like we said, is in the version 1 of the Luxe.
Quiet luxury.
Thank you. Okay, that wraps this up. We are on deck next with the quarterly contemporary box, and you'll find that several of the pieces in that go with this. So again, for just conveniently. So we don't know how that happened. Just magical.
No.
Love these. If you have any questions, comments down below, let us know if there's anything else specific you would like to see. And then Maddie and I will also be doing Decorate With Us videos. You may see a little head pop up here in the video. That's Lily wanting to make her debut yet again. It's a whole thing. I swear she knows.
She does.
She knows
when the camera comes out.
And then she decides, what about me? Let's talk about me for a minute. Huh?
Lily time.
It's Lily time. Many of you know, she is the apple of my eye and is completely spoiled in the best. I'm not going to call it spoiled. I'm going to call it well-loved.
She's well-loved.
She's very well-loved. So she's down here also wanting to see all the pretties. Okay, we will see you soon. Thanks so much, and stand by for more. Bye. Lily, you're a good girl.
In their face, like, run, Forrest. Run.
Whoa.
For real, we'll zoom in on the photo of you trying to yank it out.